Alright, for problem 4, here's our quadratic formula. We see a is equal to 6, b is equal to -3, and c is equal to +7. Here's my quadratic formula. I substitute, but wait, what do I see? I see that -3 squared is +9, minus 4 times 6 times 7 is -168 all over 12. -3 plus or minus the square root of -159 over 12. This is a real problem. As we discussed today in class, no matter what we do, if we have a square root of a negative number, we are not prepared to deal with this. We turn to the graph of the equation, and we see that the equation is y equals 6x squared minus 3x plus 7. When we graph it, we see that we may have a parabola, but it never crosses the x-axis. So what we say in this case is there is no real solution.